Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So to set your custom ringtone as your ringtone or text tone, go to Settings on your iPhone, then tap Sounds. Tap Ringtone or Text Tone, whichever one you want your custom sound to be for. Select your custom ringtone from the ringtones listed. The 13th of November 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap Sounds, also called Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone. Your custom tones will appear at the top of the list, above the default ringtones. Just tap on one to make it your ringtone. 16 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
The iPhone uses the M4R file format, which has an AAC audio codec. This means that you can save your file in AAC M4A, and then click on the file name and simply change the extension from 8 January 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Export the project as a ringtone. Open GarageBand on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. In the My Songs browser, tap Browse. Tap Select. Then tap the project you shared from your Mac. Tap Enter a name for the ringtone, then tap Export. Tap Export. When the ringtone is finished exporting, you can assign the ringtone. The 12th of November 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.